Edward is a mixed traffic engine, which means that sometimes he can pull trucks, other times he can pull coaches. But the most known about Edward is that he is good at being a back engine, meaning that if another engine is stuck on Gordon's hill, Edward can buffer up and help push. But as everybody knows, Edward is rather old, and sometimes he can be teased by the other engines, including Gordon, the proudest and strongest of all. One day, Edward was making his way to Knapford Station when he spotted something a little unusual. There were two new diesel rail cars smiling quietly. Hey James, who are they?
Oh, them? Oh, that's Pip and Emma. They're the fastest engines in the blinking world.
Indeed, we have just been acquired so we can become the newest edition of the railway system, just to see how fast we can go for the efficient train services, so that this way passengers can travel by train and not by plane or car.
Interesting.
As expected, railways of today are centrally controlled using computers and the latest electronic communications. And on a side note, what's your name?
Well, my friends call me Edward.
Ah yes, Edward. It's a delight to meet ya.
Well, the same to you as well. Yes, sir. These two will make a fine reputation for the future of our railway network.
I suppose that's a possibility. I've always been dreaming about seeing the future. You know, flying cars, holograms, high-speed engines, the works.
Well, I wouldn't dream too much about that. Anyways, off you go to work, James. There is so much to do and so little time.
Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
Uh-oh, it's getting late. We better get moving.
Toodaloo! It was nice meeting the both of you. Oh boy, here comes trouble. Just then, Gordon pulled up. What's this I hear about high-speed trains? I don't see most of my brothers around here.
Oh, hello there. Did you hear the news?
What news?
There's a new type of diesel engine running from the other railway. They call themselves high-speed trains. They have a diesel at each end and can go 100 miles an hour too. And the funny thing is, I'd be surprised if they were to take your express duties for a while. Wouldn't that sound exciting?
Gordon gulped in terror. I won't give up my express duties to another diesel engine!
Why not? It'd be a nice change for once.
The Fat Controller would never approve. Why, I can prove that I can go as fast as a diesel engine. If you want an example of this, look at my Doncaster cousins. They went at 126 miles an hour and nothing abysmal happens to them. But most importantly, I bet that I can go as fast as Spencer. He never misses his cue. That night, Gordon tried his supposed best to get some shut-eye, but he couldn't. He can hear Pip and Emma's conversations with the other engines about how they like to be called, and I quote, the fastest high-speed trains on the island. This made Gordon feel green with envy. You know, in a couple of days, everything will turn out just the way it normally was. They'll see. I'm still considered the fastest engine on the island of Sodor. But the other engines were too busy to notice Gordon, for they were interacting with Pip and Emma so much that he decided to instead fall unhappily to sleep. The next morning, Percy was arranging Gordon's coaches ready for action.
Here you go, Gordon. 3 express coaches with sparkling new paintwork just for you.
Ah yes, thank you very much, little Percy. I will admit,
I do like a good long run with nice clean rolling stock, especially with shiny sparkling paintwork.
Soon Gordon was making some great record time. He was certainly determined to give Pip and Emma a run for their money.
Oi! Watch my paintwork, Speedy!
Now Gordon's Hill is the steepest location to be on the island. Too steep, in fact, for even the bigger engines such as Henry or Gordon. Now as he drew himself closer to the top, his speed was beginning to deteriorate.
This hill is no match for me. I'll just have to exhilarate.
Then there was trouble.
Oh, the indignity! Why, the day started off so fine, too!
Here we go. Well, Gordon. Stuck on your own hill again, eh? Perhaps what you need is a little more strength, my dear engine.
However, Gordon couldn't reply, and instead feel quite offended by Henry and his silly comment. Meanwhile, Edward was busy shunting trucks. He liked shunting. He thought it would be great fun to play with trucks. He would come up quietly and give them a push. Then the silly trucks would go bump into each other. Edward shunted till there were no more trucks. Then he stopped to rest. Naturally, he heard a noise.
Sorry to interrupt, Edward. I would like you to go up to Gordon's Hill, please.
I suppose that Gordon is once again stuck. Thank you very much, sir. That will be a nice change.
That's a good engine. Off you go now.
Hello, Gordon. I've come to push. Gordon could only sniff crossly.
Thank you very much. Express coming through!
You are quite welcome, Gordon. Well, it's about time you showed up. Sorry I cannot chat right now. Got to run. Cheerio. That night, Gordon was still feeling rather silly. To make matters worse, he can once again hear Pip and Emma's conversations and felt somehow that it would never end. But that's another story.